Meaning of impartial.
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 Impartial. The word impartial refers to being unbiased, fair, and objective in the judgment or decision-making process. It means not showing any favoritism towards any particular person or group and treating everyone equally. An impartial individual is open-minded and considers all sides of a situation before making a judgment. An impartial decision or action is one that is free from personal interest, prejudice, or external pressure. Being impartial is essential in situations where fairness and justice are required, such as legal proceedings, political debates, and conflicts. Impartiality promotes trust, transparency, and integrity in decision-making, which are crucial for maintaining social harmony and order.